Welcome to our review of the AOC C27G2Z Gaming Monitor. We'll cover its pros and cons, product specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if this AOC C27G2Z is right for you. Let's dive in. Looking for the best budget gaming monitor that delivers elite-level performance without draining your wallet? The AOC C27G2Z Gaming Monitor might just be the perfect match. With its high-end features packed into a surprisingly affordable price point, it proves you don't have to break the bank to enjoy a premium gaming experience. Designed for competitive gamers and immersive players alike, this monitor strikes a perfect balance between performance, visual quality, and ergonomic design, making it a strong contender in the budget-friendly gaming monitor segment. This 27-inch curved monitor features a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution that delivers sharp visuals and vibrant color details. It's equipped with a VA vertical alignment panel, which is known for offering excellent contrast ratios and deeper blacks, something that both casual users and hardcore gamers appreciate. But what sets this monitor apart is its impressive 240Hz refresh rate, accessible via DisplayPort 1.4, combined with an ultra-fast 0.5 milliseconds MPRT, moving picture response time. This kind of speed ensures that motion blur is virtually eliminated, giving you the edge in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. The 1500R curvature is designed to wrap around your field of view, making your gameplay feel more natural and engaging. Whether you're navigating open-world environments or engaging in intense multiplayer battles, the curved display helps keep your attention focused and your experience immersive. On top of that, the monitor is compatible with AMD FreeSync Premium, ensuring that screen tearing and stuttering are drastically reduced. This means smoother visuals and consistent performance, even during sudden frame rate drops. The color accuracy is stunning, with 119.9% sRGB and 89.8% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, which brings games to life with vibrant tones and rich detail. Whether you're exploring dark dungeons or bright futuristic cities, the monitor captures every nuance. This wide color coverage also makes the monitor a solid choice for content creators who might want a display that performs well for both gaming and visual work. Design-wise, the AOC C27G2Z doesn't hold back either. It sports a sleek, three-sided frameless design that minimizes distractions and is perfect for dual or triple monitor setups. The slim bezels not only look modern, but also allow for seamless multi-monitor gaming, increasing both productivity and immersion. And with adjustable stand options, users can tailor the monitor to their ergonomic preference, reducing strain during long gaming sessions. For gamers on a budget, the AOC C27G2Z provides a rare combination of high refresh rate, rapid response time, immersive design, and vibrant visuals, making it one of the top value monitors in its category. The AOC C27G2Z stands tall among budget gaming monitors by delivering performance-driven features at an affordable price. Whether you're climbing ranked ladders, exploring open worlds, or simply looking for a visually stunning and responsive monitor, this one hits all the right notes without hitting your wallet hard. What we like. 1. Super smooth 240Hz refresh rate performance. 2. Ultra-fast 0.5 millisecond response time advantage. 3. Immersive 1500R curved screen view. 4. Wide color gamut for vibrant visuals. What we don't like? 1. No built-in speakers. 2. Limited 1080p resolution.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.